I have with me Hannah and Josie, who are in the 4th grade, and we're going to read a book together called Feathers, Not Just for Flying. But before we read the book, I want you girls know what informational texts are, right?
Somewhat.
Yeah, they're you know the difference between fiction and nonfiction.
Yeah, I do.
Yes.
Definitely.
So this is a nonfiction book that has information in it about feathers. But before we read it, I would like to fill out this chart with you. Have you guys ever done a KWL chart before?
No, probably a couple of years.
You remember maybe using one? Okay. Well, I'll tell you how it works. What we do, the K line here, before we read the book, I'm going to have you guys take a minute to write down individually what you already know about feathers.
Oh, I noticed it.
Yes, anything that you already know about feathers. Then, once you finish that, I want you to write down in the W line something that you want to learn about feathers. And then we'll share them together once you guys have had a chance to fill them out, okay? So start with the know and just try to think of anything you know about feathers. It could be something that they look like, something they do, anything that you know at all. And any fact, no fact is too silly, or just write down whatever you know. Each start by just writing down like just one fact for now, since we're just doing this as a sort of an example for my class. So when you finish your first fact, just let me know.
Okay, please.
Okay, I'll wait for Hannah, and then when she's finished. Okay, let's share what you wrote down, Hannah. How about you share first?
There are lots of different kinds of feathers.
Can you talk a little louder so they can hear you on the video?
There are lots of different kinds of feathers.
Yes, that's right. Good point. Josie, what did you write down?
Feathers can help birds fly and keep warm.
Good job. Now, let's write down in the W column something you would like to learn. What would you want to learn about feathers? Is there anything you've ever wondered or thought about? We'll just do one thing again this time for the video. That's okay. You know what? You have an eraser. You can fix it. Okay, so now let's share the one thing you want to know.
Are there two of the same feathers?
Are any two feathers the
Yeah.
same? Ah, that's a very interesting question. What about you, Josie?
How many feathers does the average bird have?
Ooh, how many feathers does the average bird have? And are all feathers the same, or are there any two feathers alike? Those are some really good questions. Now what we're going to do is we're going to read through this book together, and we won't get all of that on video, but I just wanted to point out to you really quick some things on each page. I'm actually going to have you guys read it individually, but there are all these captions that tell about the different kinds of feathers that you'll see on the pages, and there are these little inset boxes that tell facts about the feathers. Text features, exactly. Sometimes called text structures, exactly. So, Miss Beth, you can go ahead and stop recording. We're on.